What?
You going out here?
Yeah. Before it's not done yet. Only half of it. Carabao Island. Police station over there. Moon on top. Good morning, Carabao Island. Hey guys, ayan, nagising kami ng 5 AM. Sunset na. Last night, kumain kami sa MAD. M-M-A-D. And today, we're going back na sa Romblon. And back to... going back to Odongan. So, pupunta kami sa Piat ngayon. Currently here in Carabao Island of the Philippines. So, kasama ko ngayon si Kano.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, Apam! Ooh! Yeah. And, there you go. May mga pasaway na dumaan. Hello, guys! Welcome to my vlog. Hello, vlog! Welcome to my guys. Yeah. He's so very alert na after we missed the boat there in Aklan. Because I told him to go and wake up by 4 AM we must go na. Going to Katiklan so we don't miss the boat. Maaga nga kami nagising. When we got there, we missed the boat going to Santa Fe. So, a shortcut na lang from Aklan, Katiklan to Hambil. And nagbabadang isang araw, Hambil to Santa Fe. So, we are here na. Dapat hindi na namin ma-miss yung boat. Kaya maaga kami gumising. Diba, honey? No? No? Guwapo, oh. Guwapo. Go. Ate.